Alright, how's everyone doing here? We're back on the cheap Jeep. Part 9. Let's see, we're starting with we're going to change the front shocks and then fix the crack on the hardtop in the back. But right now we're on the shocks. I finally got this out. Just to get us some access in there. Here we go. How's that for a nice rusty shock? Have to say original. So, there's going to be a lot of heat, a lot of impact gun, and most likely this thing's going to have to be cut off, but we're going to try doing it the right way, see what happens. The bottom bolts should be okay, I think. Yeah, the other side's just like this, so yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun here. I noticed my bump stops got a little rust. Have to worry about that on a different day. So yeah. Alright, I'm going to start pulling this thing off, see what we got, and go from there. Anything interesting comes up, I'll update. Like I always say in all the previous videos, this video is more or less the progress of this Jeep, getting it back on the road, compared to fixing videos, repair videos. There's already a ton of them on there. You want to look on how to do shocks on a Jeep Wrangler TJ? Go on YouTube, there's about 30 of them. So, no need for another one. Although, this is a rusty one. You live up in the Northeast like I did, this is what you got to deal with. Unless you spend good money, you know, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 on a Jeep, then yeah, usually they're pretty in good shape. But you're talking $1,000 Jeeps, this is what you get. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for now. Unless something interesting comes up, I'll update when something happens. Alright, bye. Alright, quick update. Got the shock off. Wasn't as bad as I expected it. A little bit of heat and some effort. Yeah, that came off. Even was able to save the bottom 2 bolts, so that's a good thing. Right there. Now what I'm doing right here is sanded down the frame. Got it looking pretty good. Right now I got some rust dissolver on there, if you can see it right there. Right, well, I'll show you in a second. Works pretty good. I'm just waiting for it to dry up. And now we're going to put some primer and paint on this section of frame right here. Figure since I got the shock off, I might as well do this. So, both sides, top and bottom, backs. So, let this dry. I'll wipe it down, put some primer, some black paint on. She's good. Then I'm going to do this exact same thing to the other side too. This is what takes a little bit of time right here, little detail stuff like this. This slows me down. But that's alright. One less section I got to work on during summer. Just the centers. I'll have to, the center of the Jeep, take the skid plate down, sand everything down, paint it. We're good. So the back is good. Then the both sides, the front, the frame's going to be nicely painted. And yeah, during the summer we'll do those, the middle. Alright, so that's it. Let's take a look at this. It's like a pink jelly, but it works good. Yeah, I recommend that stuff, no doubt. Alright, so yeah, that's it for right now. Next update is when I got this side done and painted up, and yeah, we'll go from there, then start the other side. Alright, bye. Alright, I'm back. She's looking pretty good. There we go. Nice. See if I can get this to be steady. Yeah, got everything painted. Sand down a frame. Yeah, looks pretty good. So here we go, all set. This side's done. It's late afternoon now, so I'm gonna let it slide till tomorrow afternoon. I'll finish up the other side, or start the other side, I should say. So yeah, did both sides of the frame, sanded it down. Painted it up. No rust, no rot, no nothing over here. So we're pretty good. Anyway, so that's it for now. I'll show the other side when it's all done. Alrighty. Bye-bye. And that's it. Alright everybody, I'm back. Got the other side done finally. It's looking good. It's all in there. So yeah. Nicely painted, both sides of the frame. Yeah, we're good now. Excellent. KYBs are made in Japan, which is pretty darn good considering, I was thinking they're Taiwan or China or something like that, but no, we're good. Yeah, and that's it. So I'm going to end the video here on this one. This will be just the front shocks. I'll probably go in a little bit more depth when I'm going to tackle the cracked hardtop next. And I'll go a little bit more in depth on that one, because there really aren't that many repair videos out there for that. And I've never done it before. So, I mean, I repaired fiberglass on boats before, but that's been about 10 years ago the last time I even touched fiberglass. So we'll learn together on that one. We'll patch it up, we'll touch up the paint on the back of it, and then during summertime we're going to repaint the whole top probably black. But it's too cold out right now. It's beginning of March 13th today. So anyways, yeah, we'll end it right here. Here's the frame. Everything looks pretty darn good. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Alright, so now we got all good shocks on it. I checked most of the bushings on this thing, front and back. They're all in pretty decent shape. So, yeah, I think we're done with suspension for now. Yeah, we'll get the top done next, and after that, we'll start working on the rust on, like, the little sections there, and the floor on the inside of the cab here. That'll be probably next month when it's a little bit warmer. I can do it out in the driveway. So anyways, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's been fun. All right, bye. All right, I'm back. We're getting there. I got the easy part done. So yeah, now for the hard part. Let's see if I get my light. There we go. I got this all pulled out from here, out of the way. I don't know what that does. It was unplugged. There's another plug right here. I'm not sure what this does, but I'll look it up later on tonight. Anyways, let's see. Now I gotta clean in here somehow. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. All right, taking her out for a test drive. She rides like a new car again. Very happy with this. Very nice. Hard to hold this camera and shift at the same time. Yeah, much better. The steering stabilizer makes a difference. It doesn't have that wobble in the front end anymore. Tell you what, you can drive everywhere just in third gear on this. I'm guessing this thing has the 410s in it, maybe. So you just leave it in third. Yeah, not bad at all. Very happy.